Sold in Australia until 2017, the retro-styled Toyota FJ Cruiser featured a 4-litre 200 kilowatt and 380 Nm petrol V6. A modestly powered SUV that can certainly do with a performance upgrade, and Harrop have come to the party by developing a 1.9-litre supercharger that transforms the vehicle. As always, it's first onto our dyno to check the health of the vehicle and to get a representative baseline power and torque figure. With a baseline figure recorded, we can now get the car onto the hoist and begin the dismantling process. This supercharger features a front drive, front inlet design for a shorter, less restrictive intake path, and has an integrated bypass system which relieves boost under light load conditions, reducing drive loss and improving fuel economy. The supercharger manifold features an integrated high-density intercooler as part of the efficient water-to-air intercooler system, featuring a 27mm thick front-mount heat exchanger, electric pump and reservoir. With an upgraded fuel pump and new 550cc injectors fitted in place, we can now install the Charge Air intercooler setup before fitting the supercharger itself. Belying its size, the supercharger itself is quite a lightweight unit, and it fits neatly under the bonnet with a factory OEM look. The heat exchanger, which measures in at an overall size of 565 by 267mm, needs no body modifications, the reservoir being easily accessible in the engine bay. With everything back together, including an 80mm pulley running a safe 6 to 7 psi, it's now time to go back on the dyno for a custom tune and a transmission recalibration to make it all work. An amazing 35% increase in at-wheel torque and an incredible 43% increase in peak power will now get this cruiser humming along. A testament once again to Harrop's level of engineering. Everything fits perfectly, and the kit interfaces with the OE throttle body, airbox, and retains all factory ancillaries including AC, viscous engine fan, power steering and so on. After all road testing and validation is complete, it's now time to give this FJ back to its owner, who no doubt will have a smile from ear to ear on his trip home. For more information on this package and all our other upgrades, contact us on 1800-GO-FAST or visit our website hp-f.com.au.